through the viewfinder, do you see it in black and white?
Yes. The viewfinder won't work if you've got the screen open, I don't think.
That's why I can't see anything.
That would probably be. And if it's all fuzzy, it's because you've forgotten to put it out. Are you zooming?
I am. It's in black and white, isn't it?
It is. Yes.
Oh, a black and white fire.
That's so neat, isn't it? Just the perfect size of that corner, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where did you find that?
B&Q.
Sainsbury's Homemade.
Homemade.
Really?
It's on sale.
That's fantastic. So, did they provide someone to fit it for you?
We just had an advert in the telephone for him up. He was called Kevin and he loved his job. He liked to talk about the job he did earlier and he wanted to get
Oh, how nice. I loved it.
I've lost it again.
Yeah.
I didn't grab anything.
You've got a fuzzy screen
Well, it's because you.
and I'm recording.
Well, that's
You
because
probably
you've
zoomed in.
zoomed in and you're not zoomed out. That's what you do all the time.
Oh, alright. I'm there now.
Was that all it was?
Yes.
I think it says.
Up there.
I'm there if you zoom, so whether the picture's fuzzy or not.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It goes up to 700 times.
It does. Well, it 15 times as a
video or something there, won't
an optical zoom, and then it does it digitally by zooming in on the image it's got.
Actually, I just dropped the load down the cable. I can get it out. She dropped a load of components down the cable. It's alright, actually. What shall I wear?
What about your black